Hi, this is Jason from the QuickBooks team. You can import budgets to help you quickly add your budgets to QuickBooks and run reports to see if you met your targets. Let's go over how to import a budget and then run a budget versus actual report to measure your performance. Note that budgeting is only available in QuickBooks Online Plus and Advanced. Select Financial Planning. Budgets. In QuickBooks Online Plus or Advanced, you can create a budget from built-in tools in QuickBooks, or import it from Excel and other spreadsheet programs. Let's import a budget. The only type of budget you can import is a profit and loss budget. You can create balance sheet budgets, but you cannot import them. You must create them in the previous window. Then, choose the time period you want to budget for. Consolidated budgets help you budget for your entire organization. Subdivided budgets help you budget for specific customers. If you have locations and classes enabled, you'll also see those options. Note that you can only select one at a time, but you can always return later and create more budgets. So you can start with a consolidated budget, and then once it's done, you can set up subdivided budgets for each of your existing customers, locations, or classes. If you want to create a subdivided budget, choose the customer, location, class, or project you want to create a budget for. Let's create a budget for the entire organization. Select Next. Select this link to download a sample budget. Open the sample. Read through these guidelines carefully before proceeding to the next step. Following these rules helps to ensure your import will succeed. After you've read the guidelines, select the Consolidated tab. QuickBooks uses your income, cost of goods sold, and expense accounts to build the template. You don't need to add or remove any accounts from the template. You can fill out the template in Excel like you would any other spreadsheet, or if you have a budget prepared in a different spreadsheet, you can paste it into this template to make sure it matches what QuickBooks expects when you upload it. When you're done, save the budget. Return to QuickBooks and select Upload Budget. Select the budget and select Open. Select Next. It may take a moment for your budget to upload. When it's done, select View Budget. In this screen, you can adjust the budget before saving it. Check out this video to learn more about how to adjust a budget. When you're done, select Save and Close. After you've recorded transactions that affect your financial statements, you can start comparing your actual performance to your budget. Select Reports and run the Budget versus Actuals report. You can view your actual numbers, which come from the transactions you've recorded, compared to what you budgeted, whether or not you went over budget, and what % of the budget you've used. The report only shows results from one budget at a time. You can choose between different budgets here. You can also change the date range of transactions QuickBooks uses to build the report and customize the report in other ways. Now you're ready to import budgets in QuickBooks and compare your company's performance to the budget.